Hello, today I want to do an unboxing of the Gourmia French Door XL air fryer we got from Costco. It's on sale. It is a beautiful design and it's big. The capacity is set 12 slice bread, 15-inch pizza, up to 20-pound turkey, or 15 by 13 pan. It comes with the oven rack, come with baking pan, come with air fry basket and a crumb tray. So now I want to test out dehydrated banana and see how it come out. When I click dehydrate, the temperature come out 135 and it will take 8 hours. Now it's been 5 hours and so 3 hours more left, and see what the banana looks like now.
It's American version.
Okay, now we're gonna try to cook the pizza on the new oven or new air fryer. And okay, usually we have to preheat the air fryer or oven, but we try not to do that and see what the difference between it. Okay, okay, now click on the turn it on first, okay, and then where's the pizza? Okay. Okay, maybe click
Start.
Okay, see what the difference. So after the preheat done, they said add food, but we already added. But I mean, let's see how it will work.
What happened?
So now they put cook automatic on 412 minutes.
Oh, that's we didn't have to click anything either.
Mama, I love it how it just goes down and it tells you how much seconds there are.
So the pizza looks done, and time is still 9 seconds. Let's wait until the time is up. This we don't hit it. Okay, it's there.
This is the last day for the Halloween thing. Look, that's what happened.
Maybe try the big snack. Make it turn on first.
I forgot. Snacks? Okay. Start. Oh, it's pretty.
food they're gonna show 4:25, 11 minutes, actually 12 minutes. To put the snack on.
Ooh, tasty.
Good.
Oh, I didn't even touch it.
So I roast the peanut in about 8 minutes. That come out perfectly.